Hey guys, my name is Hannah McCory, and as you may know from previous videos, I am the Referral Marketing Coordinator here at MWG Direct. And my role is to help agents like you who need a free Medicare and retirement insurance resource for your clients. If you're an insurance agent asking yourself, what do I tell my clients who are asking questions about Medicare, then you have come to the right video. Today, I'm going to share with you some common questions that you might have heard from your clients who are turning 65 or retiring. The first one, how and when do I need to enroll in Medicare? And the second one, how does my group plan coordinate with Medicare? I understand Medicare is a complicated subject. There are so many factors that go into preparing for retirement insurance, and that's what we're here for. So you don't have to spend hours researching answers for your clients. You can just refer them to us, and we will prepare them for the road to retirement. If you have someone that you would like to refer, be sure to register for our Medicare Supplement Referral Program by clicking the link at the top of the screen for a step-by-step tutorial. And as always, if you have any questions or need updates on what's going on behind the scenes, please email me at hannah.mccrory@morganwhite.com or give me a call 877-759-5762 extension 1177. We are looking forward to being your client's #1 Medicare and retirement insurance resource.